Hey everybody, this is Nelca Roco again, and today is Tuesday. It's about basic lighting design info topic. But I got caught up in this new technology that everybody's talking about. It's all about the AI or the ChatGPT. So I tried it and because I want to know if it's going to be working also in lighting design. I don't know if this AI can also run a lighting design calculations. So I'm pretty sure it will not. So it's good for us lighting designers because it will not interrupt our profession or our career. Okay, so but here I asked ChatGPT to write a script for YouTube video comparing Dialux evo and AGI32 in a chatty and friendly voice. And this is what the ChatGPT gave me. So I'm just going to read it and let me know if it's correct or not, because this ChatGPT AI they said it's very amazing. So I want to know if it's really true or not. Okay, so this is what the AI answered. Sure, here's a script for a YouTube video comparing Dialux evo and AGI32. Hi there! You are a lighting designer or engineer looking for a perfect lighting design software? Well, you are in luck because today we're going to be comparing two of the industry's most popular options, Dialux evo and AGI32. First up, let's talk about Dialux evo. This software has been around for over 20 years and is widely used in architectural and engineering fields. It's known for its user-friendly interface and extensive library of manufacturer-specific products, which makes it easy to design lighting systems for all types of projects. One of the standout features of Dialux evo is its ability to create realistic 3D visualizations, which I think is true, of lighting designs. This can be a huge help when presenting ideas to clients and stakeholders, as it allows them to see exactly what the finished project will look like. But Dialux evo isn't perfect. One potential drawback is that it can be a bit resource intensive. So you'll need a powerful computer to run it smoothly, which I think is correct. Additionally, some users have reported that the software can be a bit buggy at times, which is also true because Dialux evo, it keeps on upgrading, right? So now let's talk about AGI32. This software has also been around for a while and it's popular among lighting designers and engineers. One of its main selling points is its powerful calculation engine. I am not sure about that, which allows users to quickly and accurately design lighting systems for a variety of projects. I think for me, AGI is for sports lighting only. Okay. Like Dialux evo, AGI32 also has a library of manufacturer-specific products, so you can easily select the right lighting fixtures for your project. And it also has the ability to create 3D visualizations. Yes, that's true. So you can show clients exactly what the finished project will look like. One potential downside of AGI32 is that it has a bit of a learning curve. It's not necessarily difficult to use, but it does have a lot of features and tools that may take some time to get used to. Yes, for me, I think AGI32 is really intimidating compared to Dialux evo. That's my personal opinion. So, which software is the best choice for you? Ultimately, it really depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a user-friendly option with extensive product libraries and 3D visualizations or realistic 3D visualizations, Dialux evo may be the way to go. But if you need a powerful calculation engine and don't mind a bit of learning curve, AGI32 could be a good fit. I hope this comparison has been helpful. Good luck with your lighting design projects and happy designing. I think it's because I asked for a happy and chatty voice. That's why it also added. It's very that's very suitable for me because I do the same. I always say happy designing or happy learning like that. And then I asked again ChatGPT to please expand on the Dialux evo advantages and disadvantages. And this AI answered like, sure. Here are some additional details on the advantages and disadvantages of Dialux evo. Advantages. Number one, it is user-friendly interface. Yeah. So Dialux Evo is known for having an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, which makes it accessible for all users of all skills levels. Number 2 is extensive library of manufacturer-specific products. Dialux Evo has a comprehensive library of lighting products from a wide range of manufacturers, which makes it easy to select the right fixtures for your project. Again, it's true. And the number 3 is realistic 3D visualizations. One of the standout features of Dialux evo is its ability to create realistic 3D visualizations for lighting designers. This can be a huge help when presenting ideas to clients or stakeholders. It seems like it's just the message just repeated previously, as it allows them to see exactly what the finished project will look like. And last is widely used. Dialux evo is popular choice in the architectural and engineering fields, so you can be confident that it is a reliable and well-established software. And on the disadvantages, it says that number 1, resource intensive. Some users have reported that Dialux evo can be a bit resource intensive and may require a powerful computer to run smoothly. Yes, like what the AI answered previously. Occasional bugs. Some users also reported that the software can be buggy at times, which can be frustrating. Yes, that is true. Yeah, that is the most disadvantage of Dialux evo. And then limited customizations options. While Dialux evo has a wide range of features and tools, it may not offer as much customization as some lighting design software. Yeah, because AGI32 is a little bit more of customization. And it says that overall, Dialux evo is a solid choice for lighting designers and engineers who are looking for an easy-to-use software with a comprehensive library of manufacturer-specific products and realistic 3D visualizations. However, it may not be the best fit for those who need more advanced customization options or are working with less powerful computers. Okay, and then I also asked the ChatGPT on about the disadvantage and advantages of AGI32 on the other hand. And the answer of the AI said, certainly, here are some additional details on the advantages and disadvantages of AGI32. Advantages are, number 1, powerful calculation engine. AGI32 is known for its powerful calculation engine, which allows users to quickly and accurately design lighting systems for a variety of projects. Number 2 is extensive library of manufacturer. So it's similar to Dialux evo. Number 3 is realistic 3D visualizations. Yeah, similar to Dialux evo. And a wide range of features and tools. AGI32 has a wide range of features and tools that can be used for lighting design projects. I think this one is good because it's especially in sports lighting and road lighting. I think sports lighting only. Road lighting, I prefer Dialux evo. So the disadvantages, on the other hand, number 1 is learning curve. Yes, AGI32 has a bit of learning curve as it many features and tools that may take some time to get used to. Yes, like what I said, it's very intimidating. And then number 2, which is the most important one, is high price point. AGI32 is known for being a bit on expensive side, which may not be feasible for all users because you need to pay, I think, $1,000 to have a license for this software. And then occasional bugs. Some users have reported encountering bugs while using AGI32, which can be I'm not sure about these occasional bugs from AGI32, but I think this ChatGPT is not correct on that part. I'm not sure because I never encountered bugs in AGI32. Okay, so overall, AGI32 is a powerful and feature-rich lighting design software that is well suited for those who need a powerful calculation engine and don't mind a bit of learning curve. However, it may not be the best fit for those who are working for a more affordable option or are new to lighting design software. Yes, it's true. Okay, so I asked again, this is the last question. I said, which software is perfect for the beginners lighting designers? And the ChatGPT or the AI said, in general, Dialux evo is often considered a good choice for beginner lighting designers due to its user-friendly interface and extensive library of manufacturer-specific products. Its realistic 3D visualization can also be a helpful tool for those who are new to lighting design, as they can see exactly what the finished project will look like. It's just the repetition word from the previous answer. That being said, every person has their own preferences and needs. So, what maybe the perfect software for one person may not be the best fit for another. It's always a good idea to try out a few different options and see which one works best for you. Many lighting design software programs offer free trial versions or demos that you can use to get a feel for an interface and features before committing to a purchase. And then I said, thank you. And then the AI said, you're welcome. I'm glad to help. So, guys, yes, I'm telling guys. What do you think about this one? Because I'm planning to use this AI or ChatGPT in my books. But of course, I need to edit and do some personal inputs on my books and also in my blogs and also in my YouTube videos. I will try again this ChatGPT if it can create a design for us, because lighting design is very creative, and most of the time some of the vloggers or YouTubers said that this AI can also create artistic stuff or artist stuff, but I'm not sure it can also do the lighting design. So anyways, that's it. And maybe in my next videos or blogs, I will use this chat GPT in my creation. So let me know if whatever said in this topic that I asked ChatGPT right now is correct or not. But based on my personal experience, some of these are, I can say it's 80% true and 10% not true. Like, for example, those information about the AGI. So yes, that's it. And let me know if you can also see that the AI will penetrate our profession or career as a lighting designer or not. And I'll see you again on the next video. Bye for now.